Tense Part 3. Changing one sentence into old tense. The purpose of this to be practice and changing all the tenses to be make the tendency to speak the fluency of English. Therefore, we have given one sentence to change in the all tenses and to know the sense of the sentence. First, you get angry unnecessary while talking. तुम बातें करते करते व्यर्थ में गुस्सा हो जाते हो. You are getting angry unnecessary while talking. तुम बातें करते करते व्यर्थ में गुस्सा हो रही हो. You have got angry unnecessary while talking. बातें करते करते तुम व्यर्थ में गुस्सा हो गए हो. You have been getting angry unnecessary or primarily while talking. तुम शुरू से ही बातें करते करते व्यर्थ में गुस्सा हो रहे हो. You got angry unnecessary while talking. तुम बातें करते करते व्यर्थ में गुस्सा हो गए थे. You were getting angry unnecessary while talking. तुम व्यर्थ में बातें करते करते गुस्सा हो रहे थे. You had got angry unnecessary while talking. तुम बातें करते करते व्यर्थ में ही गुस्सा हो गए थे. You had been getting angry unnecessary for primarily while talking. बातें करते करते तुम शुरू से ही गुस्सा हो रहे थे. You will get angry while unnecessary while talking. तुम व्यर्थ में गुस्सा होगे बातें करते करते. You will be getting angry unnecessary while talking. बातें करते करते तुम व्यर्थ में गुस्सा हो रहे होंगे. You will have got angry unnecessary while talking. तुम व्यर्थ में गुस्सा हुई होंगी बातें करते करते. You will have been getting angry unnecessary or primarily while talking. तुम शुरू से बातें करते करते गुस्सा हो रहे होगे. तो रियल पर्पज ऑफ दिस changing the one sentence into all tenses to be speaking to increase the fluency and changing the all the sentences one sentence into all tenses fluency by changing and learning the meanings. You can speak the English speaking. This is the purpose of us that you will have to authentically doing about the English speaking.